We are in City Park. And oh my God, do y'all see that big, beautiful tree behind me? It's like super, super beautiful. Y'all, we coming on an adventure today. Today is Take the Kids Out, so we got the crew with us. Go ahead and like, subscribe, join the family, because y'all know we always rolling. Y'all be rolling with us. Skylar, y'all, we got the crew with us. We about to rent us a bike. So this is what the bikes look like. This the double. I want the double. I want the double.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you got.
And this the crew. And the crew. And the crew. Hey y'all. Y'all know she the OG of the channel. Y'all know she back. Big B and Lil B. Bae, you know which one I want? I want the double seater over there.
If you can get it.
Look right here. I know that is cool. Oh, y'all look at these. They don't want to ride this one, but I'll ride this. Look at the big babies.
Oh, they got a green, the blue one down there.
They have the swine boats. Hopefully we can get the bikes that we want, because there is a lot of people out here. It's nice, you know. Y'all, we got the Deuce Coupe. So we got the Deuce Coupe, right? I'm driving. He ain't driving, I'm driving. No, I'm just playing, I'm driving. So we got the Deuce Coupe, and we had 3 of these. Each one of them gonna get their own. And then of course, I'm going to drive Daddy around. So we got a Deuce Coupe. We gonna duel it out. Bae, I'm driving? Oh, well actually we both pedaling. So look. So this what we have? Yeah, we have the Deuce Coupe. The coupe.
Ma, it ain't that serious, okay?
It's not that serious.
Ma, this how you got turned.
Oh, I'm steering. Y'all excited? I don't see
we got our own ones.
You guys, you saw you can. Come on, you gonna come ride with me?
Oh no.
No?
I don't drive.
But Brand, you ride with me? Skylar, you ride with me?
Got my own.
You got nobody ride with me?
You ride with that.
Bae, you ride with me?
3 quads. I mean, you together, babe. That's the best guy.
Hold on, Skylar. Back up for a second. Lily, you ain't driving with me?
I don't like driving with you.
Y'all see how she do me? Son.
You want
son.
No, you want to drive.
Oldest son.
You want to drive.
Middle child son. You not driving with me?
You want to drive, and I want to drive. So that's not going to be able to work.
Okay. Youngest. Chocolate baby.
I got driving.
My chocolate baby. My chocolate baby. Are you riding with me?
What about your chocolate husband?
My husband's not chocolate. Do y'all think my husband chocolate? He ain't chocolate, but he is fine though, huh? Look, he working, y'all, for free. He gonna give him a hand. We gotta be back at 2:25. It is currently 2:20. So it's an hour rental. We for 3 of these, it was like 14 and 14. So for 3 of them, we paid about $76 for 4 rides. Look, they happy. They all excited and stuff. They gonna come pick me up. Valet. Look at them, y'all. They about to take y'all. Hey, y'all. Leah. Hey, girl. Brand, what's up? Skylar. I'm coming. What's up, Paul? You good? I know he a little short. Good, Paul? Uh-oh. My baby ready to go. Oh, he got to adjust. Brand getting adjusted. Oh, he ready to go. You got to do a speech. All right. Let me get on with it. Oh, wait. Yeah, it needs to be adjusted.
You stand up. You do not give any refunds because it's too hard. Bikes are allowed only on the bike pass the roads. Please stay off the grass. Do not ride up.
We're going to get this workout. Ooh. Let's go, chillin'. Let's go. Look
Hold on. Don't hit nobody. Brandon, watch where you're going.
Look at the 3 ducks behind us. Bae. We the mama duck and the daddy duck. Look at the 3 ducks behind us. Look crazy. Look. He about to crash. He act like it's a go-kart him. Woo! See, this a leg workout. That's how y'all get it in. Why they trying to pass us up, babe? Look. Where y'all gonna go? All right. Dang, boy. Go, Brandon. Look at that. They're trying to pass us up. Hey. Turn it, babe. You want to drive? Turn it. Get them leg workout in. Look at them legs, y'all. Work them legs out. We'll work them legs out. Hey, y'all.
Brian.
You have to slow down.
Wait on up.
So the rules was, if like they get too far ahead of us, they will take the bike. So we have to keep telling them to, slow down.
Brian,
even though they're ready to go.
Wait, son.
You have to slow down. Listen, y'all heard the rules. If y'all don't stay close to us, they're gonna take it. Brandon.
I'm not trying to be next to y'all.
You ain't trying to be next to us. Y'all, this is a workout. This is a real leg workout. Woo! We get it in, huh, baby? Woo! Look at the baby. duck number one. Look at him. He think he doing something. He got a need for speed, and he ain't choosing. Come on, pedal, girl, pedal, pedal, girl, pedal.
I don't know why you go so slow, but okay.
Let your hair blow in the wind. Let your hair blow in the wind. She said Rapunzel. Rapunzel. I gotta help Bae out because he can't pedal by himself because his legs too skinny. He need a little power. You see these stick thighs? They really do be saving lives. He saved life. Look how I'm saving his life right now. He needs these thighs. Of course, y'all know I love it out here because of the scenery. So many trees. The water is next to us. It's beautiful. Palm trees. Trees everywhere. Just scenery, just green scenery. I love it. This is like heaven on earth. Come on, babe, pedal. Yo, watch how he gonna need my thighs to come and save his life. Yep, they pedaling for their life. Oh, get it. Power legs. About to pass you up, Lil. What you doing, Brandy?
Ready.
Really? Really? You got stuck in a tree? Come on, Skylar. Go, Skylar. Go. Go, Skylar. Go. Skylar say he a bee. Come on, Lil. Let me try you. Let me see. Skylar, you got it? All right, my boy. Yo, so we done did some tree hugging. So like grounding to hug trees. If you ain't never hugged a tree, please hug a tree. Bae was acting like a booty. He ain't come do it. He was like, Bae, it's time. It's time. Acting like a straight booty instead of just coming hugging the tree and taking a picture. You see what I gotta go through? I had to take him sitting all manicured and cute.
Skylar, wait.
That was relaxing. I love hugging trees. How many people, if you like hugging trees, put in the comment you like hugging trees. It's a special connection. When you connected to the trees, that's a real special connection. They got all kind of stuff flying in my, ooh, flying in my eye. Y'all gotta turn around. Oh!
The fuck is that? Shit! I'm dying in this fucking country ass fucked up town. Shit flying in my mouth. The fuck? I can't see pollen. Let's get the fuck out this country, motherfucker. I can't even see me.
We back. Back. But for real though, if y'all have not joined the family, because y'all know we stay rolling, y'all be rolling with us. But we out here, y'all know, in our favorite place. We're always here. But this time we decided to take the little ducklings with us.
Not ducklings. First of all, that make y'all goose. That make y'all goose. See how big we is? Does that make y'all goose?
Oh, he said, I see how big it is. He's not duckling. So y'all, you know, we about to take them on a date. We dating out with kids. We taking them on a date. That's what it is, huh, y'all? Huh, Paul? Y'all see my chocolate baby? Look at my chocolate baby. Stop it. My chocolate baby. This is my middle child baby.
That's the ugly one.
You know, this is my favorite middle child. He the favorite middle child. I say, and then this is my favorite daughter. Okay? My favorite daughter.
Okay, y'all, please let me go.
Okay. Let me go show y'all my favorite husband. It's my favorite baby. Favorite baby. Come on, y'all. Y'all know we back at our favorite place, huh? This time for something different. Smell good in here, huh?
What is that you're doing?
Making waffles.
Making waffles? Okay, that's the process?
Yeah, this is the batter.
Oh, okay. I don't want none of that. I'm gonna give you some pecan candy. Tell I ain't no good cameraman.
Right now. Oh, that's the one? That's the one. All American 2-berry pie. He like that's the one. That's the one, Brain. So he gonna tell y'all to try the All American 2-berry pie. Yeah, they so dope because they letting them try everything. I appreciate y'all. Which one you want, Paul? Can he mix 2 scoops? Okay, so he gonna do.
He didn't mix 2. Oh, can I get this one? And what? This all berry 2-berry pie. Can I try this? I can give you try them.
No. We picking 2. Come on, they got the people.
This one is
the Superman.
Thank you.
Don't call the people on them. See, we just said be your own people. We can't be the people that's called the people on our people now.
What you trying to get started?
You got caramel?
Mm-hmm.
You got caramel?
Let me see, it's good? It's good?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm smashing it. I'm smashing it.
Okay, that's mine.
Ooh, girl, get it, girl. Ooh, wee. It's the
I got the caramel, got some sprinkles, got 2 scoops right there. Look at
Got 2 scoops?
Can you take a picture? Now
All
me.
right, go. Right, got it.
All right, can you send that picture to me?
Now she want me to send a picture, but I'm being extra. Get in front of me. Y'all, so good.
Thank you, Dad.
Baby, what you got, baby? They enjoying their good old ice cream.
Okay, that's
Ooh, Lily, get into it. Skylar's good, huh? Skylar got his whole face in there.
I used to spend my nights out in a ballroom. Liquor was the only love I know, yeah. Oh, when you rescued me from it. What do you want? I can make whatever.
Quick video. Look. Bernie, where your birthday?
Everybody get together. Princess and the Birdman. Hold on. Everybody get a bird. Come on, Birdman. Let me see. Just keep it like that. Birdman.
my Birdman.
Y'all look. He's so scary.
Excuse me, I had seen you on TikTok.
I was on TikTok, yes. I'm Tia the Bird Whisperer. See you guys.
Stop fighting, girl.
Hold on, you need a...
Look.
Awesome. Hold on. Get next to him. Get next to him. Hold on. Get next to him. Hold on. Come on, give her a kiss. Look. Give her a kiss. Look, there's one on hers. That's gonna be the picture. Look at the picture. Look at one on hers. Look at that.
He's so scary, y'all. Look how scary.
That would be the picture. One on yours, and y'all kiss each other. There he is, the Bird Princess and the Birdman. That's them.
All right, y'all. That's a good time. Let's roll.
Awesome sauce.
People eat it like that?
You can. Uncle Papa Steve used to put hot sauce on it just like that and eat it. You should try one. Guys, look at the freaking Smurfs. Ready? Go ahead.
Oh, you want to take a picture?
So the whole family gonna get in there. Ready? Let me know when y'all ready. This is... Gotcha. Thank you. What y'all doing?
Please, I'm
What
telling you.
is this?
Viper glasses. These are the best glasses ever.
How much? 10.
What's the deal
10
for
even?
3? What's the deal for 3?
What's the deal for 3? 25 for 3?
Huh?
25 for 3?
Already good price. $10 each cash you pay, no tax.
It's cash. It's cash 25?
No tax.
Can't do 25, buddy? Come on now.
Good price.
I can't do. Come on, y'all. Yeah, we'll go to the other one. I appreciate it, buddy. Sure. 25? 25 for 23. It's for the kids, man.
28.
28.
Come on, boy. You can do 25.
28. Come on, 28. That 28.
Trust me, yeah, has good price for babies.
It's 20. Come on, man. You can do 25.
I'm sorry.
All right. Come on, y'all.
I need these Viper glasses. I'm telling you, I need these.
Yeah, I find why I gave you all you need. I know.
I'm telling y'all, honestly, the Viper glasses, that's really it. Cause like the Viper glasses are so cool and stuff. Like, did y'all see how like they just? Y'all need to give me some of that for my birthday, along with Viper glasses. Give me some. Why you got the camera all over my face? I'm sorry, but yeah, I need some Viper glasses for my birthday, along with all my other stuff I asked. Because you know I'm just the best daughter in the whole wide world, your only daughter.
Yeah,
And I really
That's
love y'all
what
so
she
much.
claims.
Thank you so much. See, he gave me a straw, and I'll take this as thank you. My other straw too.
What you like. I really sorry. Time is up to yes.
You sightseeing, Paul?
Huh?
You sightseeing?
I don't know. What time is it?
Sightseeing? What you use your eyes for? To what? It's usually okay. So you're sightseeing.
The tide goes out.
Yo, I know when my instrument is on. I heard the glistens. I was like, yeah, that's a trombone. That's my instrument, the best instrument out the whole band. If you don't got a trombone in the band, you're not a band. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. But yeah.
He's smelling for the card.
He's smelling alright.
I think I found it. This is weird though, because it actually changed color. If this is your card, this would be amazing. What was your card? 3 to 9. 1 to 9 is this one. Holy shit. Hot dog! That was amazing. Wait! We're gonna do this again. I'm gonna put it under test conditions. What is your name? That was my name when I was a dancer. Julie, can I get your hand out like this? I'm gonna take the Queen of Diamonds and place it in your hand. Place your other hand on top. I'm gonna mix up the cards like this. This shows you I am a magician, Julie. Also shows you I'm single.
Well, that's my boyfriend, so too late. I'm sorry. No, even worse, I'm her mother.
Weird. And you're not in the front tipping me? Oh my god. I'm gonna run my thumb down this side of the cards. All you have to do is say stop. This is weird.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
It's giving everything.
Where you from, baby?
Here.
Well, I ain't gonna mess with you then.
I'm here from right here, but I love it. I love it. Where y'all from?
Yeah, I remember my dad. That's in Florida.
Okay.
We're in the military.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I want to see y'all react. Let's see.
20, 23, and I got these beautiful baby cakes in here.
Speaking in tongues for like 5 more minutes. I love it. Okay. You put a piece on behind my head, ho?
Yeah.
No, I did not.
Look at my handsome. That thing's so fine right there.
Why y'all get
Y'all
so
gotta know who
fast,
just
boy?
pulled up on us. Y'all gotta know who just pulled up on us. That's my nieces. Look. Look at nephew. That's your favorite cousin? You were looking for my brain. Hey, niece. Oh, she getting shy. Not you getting shy, huh? How about how Lolo she shy?
If I would have known,
She acting shy, y'all.
I think you're gonna be most impressed with how you.
I don't want to
You're gonna be
do
so
it.
excited though. It's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful.
You ready, Lil?
I'm looking at my camera. I can't do it. I really can't. Oh my god. Oh, I actually panicking. Like I'm shaking. It's too like I hate things like this.
You killed it. Y'all ready? What's your name?
Tyler. Brandon. Boogly.
You know I'm so tired of this.
Julio.
Aaliyah.
My bad. I apologize. Aaliyah, I want you to especially take those this beautiful characters, okay?
No, I can't do it, please.
I think you can. I'm just gonna ask you one thing. Just take a deep breath and let it out. Okay. It's not so bad. Are y'all ready? Welcome to James' world. Let's see what their reaction is.
Sky, look.
Y'all lied to me, bro. Cut me off. Okay, Scully.
Roberta, you got the dimples and everything. Skylar, that's you. Look at the nose. The nose is point on. The cheek, point on.
Look at that.
Look at that, Skylar. You still got a baby face, my baby. Look. Y'all like it?
What y'all think?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Okay, all right. If I would have put that booker like we planned it on, what would you
it would have been a 20 out of 10.
It would have been.
Y'all, we got to shout out Mr. James.
That's a high point right there, man. Appreciate that.
Y'all can go find him at Get Your Pet Done, Mr. James Woods on Facebook. Get Your Pet Done. Nay, say what up. Y'all know my motherfucking brother handsome. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. You feel me? Stop it. It's in the genes, baby. This is DNA. You feel me? Who tall like you? Y'all see this? Hold up, now you gonna have to give him a shout.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all her subscribers. We out here. You know what I'm saying? Solo Dolo, that's me. You heard me? Scream me. Go check me out on all platforms. The Struggle under Solo Dolo. You understand? Screaming right now.
We're going to stay in this line. It's really not that bad today. But of course, y'all know we're going to get engaged. That's what we're going to do. Us and the crew. So they got two lines actually. They have one line on this side and one line on the other side. The other side is a lot longer than this one, but I'm guessing that it's gonna go pretty quickly. I don't think it's gonna move so slowly. I think it's gonna move pretty quickly.
Yeah. To go right here.
Oh, okay. Ready? You not trying to see? Woo, them was good, huh, babe? Lily, they hot? They good? They good, y'all? They hot? My baby eating them beignets, baby. Mouth cup of brain. They hot? Yeah, right. You trying to get on the tube. Get on the tube. Get it, go niece. Go niece. Go niece. Go niece. I got you on YouTube now. You on YouTube. Look at Bree. She said what she drinking?
Eye candy mixed with jungle juice.
What were they drinking? Soda Slim? I already know. I already know. Skylar, look at Skylar, yeah.
Those on this side, those over on this side. I'm thinking of the side. Hey, told me about all your insecurity.
Third destination, y'all. It's time to eat for real now.
What the frick is you?
Really?
Ma, you saw that?
Really? What was that, Leo? What was that?
What
was
I just
that?
felt like doing that.
We about to get it started, y'all. It's the hibachi. This is what the menu is looking like. However, we've already gone over the menu, so we already know what we want. So you know I'm going to the seafood, and I'm going to get the filet mignon. Wait, what am I going to get? Oh, I'm going to get the FUJI HANA seafood, but then I'm going to add me a salmon on.
Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it.
Thank you. So it is time to get it started. So we have just placed our order, and so now we're just waiting on the chef to come and I guess start our order. And yes, we had a really big order, and I know it was confusing, but he did amazing. I should have asked his name so I could have like thank him, because he did amazing with taking this order. This was a big order. All right, guys, so the salads just came out. I wish I would have known that we're going to put a dressing on it. I would have said dressing on the side, but however, I'm not going to eat it because I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's made with, so we're not going to mess with it. But we got 5 of them. They all came out to the table, and that's what we're doing. Look at him. He eating it up over there. Y'all know he going to eat for sure, huh?
And they brought this out, and I was about to eat it. It's also the sauce. I'm like, wait, that? Oh no.
Oh
Can't
no.
do that.
Can't do that, huh?
Yes.
Alright, so here's the Japanese egg rolls. And y'all, they're killing me with all the sauces.
Can we ask them about sauce? Can we ask when they can bring it back without sauce?
Good?
Is that sharp with that? Can we ask if they can bring it back without sauce?
Just wipe it off like I'm about to do. I'm about to wipe it off. Y'all know I really don't do sauces, but again, everything comes out with sauce. I wiped it off and I tried it, and it's really good. But I'm going to just go ahead and suck it up and then try it with the sauce. And this is an egg roll that is filled with, it's called the Japanese egg roll, and it's filled with snow crab. So I'm going to try it with the sauce and see how I go.
I don't like sauce.
I thought the sauce was gonna be like a creamy because it's white, but it's actually not. It actually tastes really good. So this is a go. Alright, Japanese egg roll. Alright guys, so the soup just came. So this is miso soup. I'm gonna show you what it's like.
I see it's on all the inmates. I like it.
This is miso soup. Everybody says it's good so far. Look at them, they slurping it up.
It's so good.
It's a what?
It's so good.
What you say there? Alright, so they love it. Kylie, you like the soup? What it tastes like?
Like shrimp, like I don't know.
It's good? Alright guys, so you know I have to try the soup. Everybody has tried their soup. And so I'm gonna hurry up and try it. So here we go. Tell you what it tastes like. And I think maybe this is like tofu or something on it.
Yeah, it's definitely.
It's really good. All right.
Now let's make a fire, okay?
They're gonna fire style. Get a smile and say.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Right, check your eyebrows, please. Yeah, that's for the game, okay?
I know that's not all the rice we get. I know that can't be the section of rice that we get.
One, two, three, hook!
I'm gonna miss it, y'all. I'm gonna miss it.
Back row, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh! That's good. One more. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Coca-Cola. Double? Yeah.
Okay guys, this is the yum yum sauce and this is the ginger sauce. I ain't gonna touch the yum yum sauce. Ginger sauce, I'm gonna set it up.
Yeah, so you guys have no egg on the rice.
We also ordered ours with no egg on the rice, so that is what this is. No egg on the rice for us. Thank you. No egg on the rice. You probably should be waiting to eat. But me and baby already eat our rice. It's good with just the rice by itself. We didn't get no eggs in our rice, so they did make our rice separate. And let me just tell y'all, service has been rolling. Good service, drinks has been filled. You not missed nothing. They haven't missed a beat yet.
You like this up? Yeah, this is our secret seasoning.
Secret seasoning, okay, all right.
Yes, sir. Let's do the volcano, okay, here. Yeah, super.
Ooh. Look at the volcano, huh?
Yeah, volcano time.
Make it black. You can put fire? Make a fire, make a fire.
Yes, so yeah, okay.
Why you wanna do it?
Fire hole. Yeah, don't worry, fireman coming. Yeah. Alright. See you tomorrow.
What y'all think about the rice so far? Good? 10 out of 10? Good, Paul? Good? Baby? Oh, his bowl empty, y'all, so y'all already know what that means. So the noodles have came out. They've already been plated. Skylar, what you think about the noodles? 7? Skylar, Leo, what you think? Oh, you had the noodles. Brandon put miso sauce. Babe, what you think about the noodles? Babe rolling, y'all. He already rolling. The shrimp. Here comes the protein. The protein is coming out. Yeah.
We're still alive. Look at that. Look at that.
I'm still alive.
He's still alive. I'm waiting on my vegetables to get into my noodles so then I can eat it. They go. We ordered a lot, y'all. We ordered a lot. Vegetables just came, mix it in. Noodles. It tastes better with the noodles. I mean, with the vegetables mixed in. Gave it some texture. Yeah. They eat, y'all. Shrimp is cooking. Lobster's cooking. Salmon is cooking. Scallop is cooking.
Oh, the shrimp came on. Oh, shrimp.
I'm about to tell y'all something. The noodles good. That's all I came to tell y'all. I came to tell y'all that I waited for my vegetables. The noodles is good. I'm really feeling this meal. Okay, tasting real good here. Tasting real good. You know, baby ain't playing. Okay, as soon as it touches plate, it's gone. I'm trying to wait because I'm trying to enjoy all my bite together. Me too. Skylar, you with me? But so far, everything is good. Service is good. Food is good. Awesome.
How about your steak? Medium well?
Well done.
Well done? Oh, no ping. Okay.
No ping. No ping.
Beef jerky.
They like their secret sauce, baby. Whatever they secret season is, they use it.
Oh, that's the same.
Seafood almost getting done. I am ready to plate my food so I can eat it.
lobster on there.
The kids had New York steak shrimp with their meal. We had shrimp, scallops, lobster, and salmon. We're just waiting for it to be plated. So I'm trying to wait so that everything can get plated. But
You ready?
oh, go ahead. Take your first bite of meat. Guilty as charged.
You know what? Okay.
I can't do it. Dolly, can you do it? I can't do it. See, that's why you my favorite. You already know. We here. Y'all, he always be giving me the extra. Everything extra. He be giving it to me. That's why we connected, because he give me all the extra. I ain't even gotta ask. Alright, so far we have the salmon plated, the lobster, the scallop, and the he's not gonna need any more. He's not gonna need any more. Thank you so much. No more. He's literally put the whole soy sauce in his bowl. The container was empty. You full? Y'all, they so tired. They full and they tired. They can't eat no more because they've been eating all day. They tired. They was look, his energy so low he could barely even move. They tired. Look at babe. Yeah. Woo. Save the best for last.
Everybody enjoy.
Thank you so much. You gotta go ahead and take your bow. Take your bow. Yay. All right, guys. So we have the shrimp, the salmon, the lobster, the scallops, and then we had the vegetables and the pasta that I mixed all together. Babe plate is already gone, so I can't even show y'all what a full plate looks like. So I saved mine just because I love y'all so much and I want y'all to see what the whole plate looks like. They full, y'all. They say they're not eating no more. They're completely done. However, the service has been amazing. You see all the cups? We did not have to want for a drink. We never went thirsty. Refills kept coming, and the food is good. The show was amazing. Chef did amazing. Yes. So we gotta clap it up for him. Hey y'all. Hey. Clap it up. Bravo. So how y'all feel so well? What y'all giving it? 10, everybody say 10 out of 10, Chef. Ooh, 10 out of 10.
You just made my day.
Y'all tired? Y'all done?
Well, my legs are like jelly. Oh my god.
They can't even eat no more.
I'm gonna get my energy back when I see no love. Like it's, oh my god.
Included or how that go?
Okay. The tips, yeah, we're gonna share the service.
Is included in the service?
Or
you give them separately, or
they're gonna be separate. It's not included with the. But we're gonna split with the server. Thank you though.
So y'all, I'm gonna try my food on camera. Please. And I'm gonna let y'all know what. Of course, I'm gonna let y'all know what if it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. But everything that I did taste. So the sauce that they were using was soy sauce and teriyaki sauce mixed up together. And then of course that they had their special sauce that they kind of put on everything. But it's still really good. So I have not tasted scallops. So I'm gonna try the scallops on camera. And first, I kind of thought scallops were a little bit crunchy, but they're not. They're really soft because my fork kind of like slid through. Like look. Okay, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to let you know. It's seafood. I just don't know what it is. Let's go. Because I'm going to... What you say, Paul? He said I'm struggling.
Ma, you ran into the bridge.
She ran into a branch?
Yes.
Look. Okay. It's almost like the texture of a crab, but not really, but it tastes like a crab.
No, look, why you run into a branch?
Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna try the lobster really quickly. I'm gonna try the lobster real quick.
It's alright.
Ooh. Yo, we was watching a video that we made earlier. Oh, we was watching a video that we made earlier at the park, and I legit was on live, and I ran into the tree. Like the tree smacked me in the back of my head. Lobster's good. Texture's good.
I don't think anything really good to me right now because I'm so.
Okay, stop playing it.
You played it, and you ain't going to eat later.
For real.
Daddy full.
I'm gonna say some shrimp.
Daddy go to sleep now, boy.
Everybody full. They really been eating all day, so they really don't have no room.
3 in the morning food right here.
They've been all over the place eating today, so.
Ice cream is good.
Shrimp is good. I'm not gonna eat all this. I'm just trying it for y'all.
Check, please.
All right, piece of salmon. Oh, come on, baby. He's so shit. I'm tired, okay? Y'all, our kids be looking at us like we so disgusting. I know.
We are.
Okay, here goes salmon. It's good, y'all. This is FUJI HANA. That's located off of General de Gaulle in New Orleans, off of Terry Parkway. I don't know if I'm saying it right. FUJI HANA. F-U-J-I HANA. And everything has been amazing, seriously. Like, there is nothing that I can complain about. There's nothing about the service that I can complain about. It has been great from the time we had sat down at this table, the chef, the waitresses, so much that we tipped them $20. So that's how you know it's been great. Refills coming back to back. Food is very flavorful. Texture is really good. I am so happy right now. So this is our full review, and this is our day, y'all. This is our review of FUJI HANA. I think that I'm saying it right. If I'm not saying it right, put it in the comments of how you say it right. But this is our review, and this is going to complete our video for the day. If you guys have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you have not liked, turn on your post notification bell. Turn on your post notification bell. Subscribe. Y'all know y'all like rolling with us, so keep rolling with us because we love when y'all roll with us. Y'all know it's up. We fan. It's all love. No question, no questionable love. It's amazing. But this will conclude our video. We are packing up our place because, of course, we cannot eat. So it's been a full day of eating, and I don't think nobody got space left for food. So, really? So, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Please join the family. We have a goal of reaching 100 subscribers. Y'all know we're newbies, so help us. It's a movement. Get us where we need to go so we can keep growing, because baby is up. It's up. Kui has been the best server. Made this experience so wonderful, so pleasant. I just want to give you a shout out, Kui. Kino Bell. He's been absolutely 5 stars. Amazing. Fabulous. And this is how you put your kids to sleep. She woke. Gone. Gone.
I can't fall asleep with in my bed.
They are asleep.
I need a bed to fall asleep. I will not.
Look at that. My baby is tired. He is wild. Look at my big one back there. He's asleep.